Hey, East Longmeadow. We're wrapping our resilient master plan process in town. Come join the conversation and weigh in on the plan's draft recommendations. We have an online implementation survey up and running for a few weeks. Please participate at www.surveymonkey.com/r/EastLongmeadowRMP. Also, consider joining us for a virtual implementation workshop Thursday, May 20th from 6 to 8 p.m. Visit tinyurl.com/EastLongmeadowRMP to join on the 20th. For more information on the town's resilient master plan process, please visit the project website at eastlongmeadowmp.pvpc.org. Thanks for your continued participation. Hope to see you on the 20th.